Hi, my name is Nicole. I'm a naturalist here at North Chagrin Nature Center, part of Cleveland Metro Parks, and I get to talk about one of my favorite animals, which is bats. A lot of people don't know that bats do a lot for us here in Ohio. We have about 10 species and they can eat 1,000 bugs in just 1 hour. And a nursing bat can actually eat over 4,000 in just one night. They help spread seeds, they are pollinators in some areas, and they do a lot of pest control for agricultural and also in our neighborhoods. Having them around is actually super great. Having some bat houses can actually help bring them to your yard. This is actually one that we sell in our nature shops. This is a single chambered bat house, so this can actually hold up to 40 bats. And this can help bring them into your yard and give them a safe place to roost. So they like a warm spot, and then they need to be pretty high up. Best would be 12 to 20 feet up, because bats actually need that downward momentum to take off. Having them on a building is actually really great because that helps insulate part of the box. You don't want to put it on a tree or near a tree because that's actually going to give them vulnerabilities to predation. So a raccoon or an owl could get them if they crawl up on a tree. Bat houses are a great way to help bats in your area. You can also plant native gardens. Together is a great way to help lead them to your yard. If you have any other questions about how you want to encourage bats in your yard, or questions about bats or animals in general, here at North Chagrin Nature Center, we are happy to answer those questions.